You need to learn to read what you're given. If you don't read what you're given, you're never going to know how to do things. As engineers, you need to read and understand. So, how about we just read the assignment, and if you're really stuck, then ask somebody. Otherwise, you need to start thinking for yourself. You're not in high school anymore. Spell out really clearly what I'm looking for. Third angle orthographic, fully describing the support piece. It needs to be something that's fully describing. What are you feeling right on this? Okay. Alright, so well proportioned. There's enough information on there for you to have a guess at the sizes. You can work out proportions. I've given enough bits and pieces. It's not actually in just have you come down the front here. You can do it down there. Out on the demonstration at the end of the class simply because I've had to address this, and now we have a class disruption. Anything I don't cover today is still going to may show up in your test. See? Question? So just remember that, and don't blame me, blame your friend here. Now, just so that there wasn't any question about it, I put this in bold or in large block letters. You can just sit there, somewhere there, and.
Do you know if you can get CAD for the older models?
What?
Do you know if you can get CAD for the older models?
Yeah, you can.
Do they have it in the library?
Probably not.